Hello everyone, Jerry is here coming to you with another video, and as you can see in front of me, I have a very red box for a very good reason. This is the brand new Oneplus 8T. This is the media kit that they send out. I figured, let's break this thing open and see what they sent me. Okay, as you can see, it's very similar to some of the other unboxings for Oneplus I've done. Link up here, or link down below, you can see it up here too. Their unboxing experience is always pretty good. Like I said, Ultra stops at nothing. Ultra stops at nothing. That is their new thing. It's past never settled. Now they're just not stopping ever. So let's break this open. Obviously red Oneplus 8T. And yeah, let's slide this off and see if there's any new goodies they sent here this time around. Is it open like this again? Yup. Very nice. Looks very nice on camera. Thank you, Oneplus. Hello also. So let's see what they got in here. Yes, Oneplus reviewer's guide. Always very nice to have. I have the digital version too. Well, we'll break this open in a second. Move this over here for now. Nice. This was what I was hoping for. They actually have, this is like their new circuitry cyan colored case. They always send a few cases with these review units, but this is the one I actually really wanted to try because it does look really cool. We will open that up in a second. And they still do have, looks like they're still going with that kind of blue color, cyan color sandstone case. That's cool. But here is the device itself. Let's get it out. There we go, 8T, very bold, tall box as they have been in a few others. Oneplus branding on the side. Oneplus 8T RAM, 12 gigabytes of RAM, ROM 256, so this is the top end model, and they sent me the lunar silver. I know a few other people have gotten the green, which is kind of cool, but I'm kind of interested to check out the silver as well. All right. Oneplus 8T branding there. It just says Oneplus there. That's interesting. And more branding there. Let's crack it open. So I went to go grab enough, but I didn't see it has one of those simple open thingies right there. That's pretty cool. Let's get it out of there. All right, and let's just shake it out. All right, more 8T branding, 8T, Oneplus. And they always kind of give a little message in here for all of their fans across the world. Invitation letter. And this is, oh, they gave us a whole bunch of stickers this time. Thank you, Oneplus. I do appreciate that. Let's flip it around. There we go. Nice and clear. Cool, cool, cool. Safety information, don't need that. Never settle. Sweet. Never settle again. More paperwork, quick start guide, of course. And the invitation letter. There we go. Can I get it to zoom in? There we go. If you want to read it, there you go. From Pete. Thank you very much, Pete, and our SIM removal tool. Here we have the phone just inside the regular packaging. Take that out, and it is that silver color. Look at that. It looks pretty good in the silver. Now we got that square camera bump, and the camera system is a little different this year, but not that much different from the original 8 that came half a year ago. Oneplus branding, all that good stuff. But yeah, we'll check that out in a second. Put that down. Oh, it does actually come with a screen protector already applied, like they have for a little while. So we have our really quite thick Oneplus, red cable for charging like they always give, but it's a little thicker than last time because it does that 65-watt charging out, which is kind of insane. And actually, let's go check that out. Warp Charge 65. See if they'll let me open it here. All right, and there it is. The new massive 65-watt charging brick. And this is kind of like almost, MacBook 13 inch like size thing. Maybe it's just like slightly smaller, but this is massive. 65 watts. You can actually charge your MacBook at 45 watts with this thing, but 65 watts only for the 8T. And of course, OnePlus branding there. Let's put this all to the side, and actually let's check out the phone. Let's see if we can get it booted here. All right. Powered by Android, as we know, OnePlus up there. How long is it going to take for Foo's boot? There we go. And again, I just felt the vibration motor. These, the newer vibration motors in the 8 and the 8 Pro and 8T now here, they're very good, like almost pixel level. All right, hello, there we go. Start, terms and conditions. Always agree to all these things. And I'll set this up in a second, but I kind of wanted to show this off next to some of its brothers and sisters. So, first one up, this is one of my favorite devices that OnePlus ever made, is the 7 Pro. As you can see, it's just slightly smaller than the 7 Pro, but I really like this one because it had a curved screen. Not that I super like that. I actually really love that this went back to a flat screen. You could see it right there. But still, screen protector on here, and you can see these screen protectors don't really hold up very well. I wanted to keep that on there just to see actually how far I could go. But as you can see, it used to have that camera in the center. Now the camera's on the side. You know, like every other big flagship that's kind of like coming out now. They said they did it to put bigger batteries, which this is 4,500 milliamp hours. 2 cells in here, 2 equal cells to give you that super fast charging that it has. We do have USB-C on the bottom for the fast charge, microphone, speaker, and SIM card tray if I can get it to focus. There we go. On the top, we do have our antenna bands. We do still have the switch, silent switch, which is freaking great. I love the thing. Power button over here, and volume rockers on the left. And we now do have that through the screen selfie camera there, that hole punch that everybody seems to love. Now putting it next to the 7T, which is like kind of the real, 1 year coming on thing, because this is 1 year ago. OnePlus 7 Pro was a year and a half ago. So these are pretty much the same size. Obviously this one has that circular camera they've tried out, but only did on this one phone. This is like that kind of grayish color. This is more of a silver, you could see. This is more of a fingerprint magnet. This one, like I said, doesn't really have, can't really do that many fingerprints on it, which is nice. Now let's put it up against the actual OnePlus 8. So this is half a year on. Pretty much exactly the same camera system. It adds on just that one extra camera, which is kind of sort of not a camera, and it does give you that other flash here, like just a different color. It doesn't make a huge difference, but as you can see, this is that unicorn throw-up color, which is hit or miss, super fingerprint magnet, but it is what it is. And yeah, let's check it out against the OnePlus 8 Pro. So this is like, still they're considering their flagship. So this is kind of like slightly cheaper, more mid-range, like the OnePlus 8. So it's not meant to be a full replacement. All right, one more thing to check out are the cases. OnePlus usually does pretty well with their cases. I like this new design, and this is the Sandstone. Let's pull them out and actually see how they look and put them on the phone. There you go. New OnePlus circuitry case. I think it's cyan. Designed by OnePlus. There we go. Yeah, let's throw it on the phone and see what we got. There we go. It fits really nice, really tight. It's very slippery though. It's not like the Sandstone. It's meant to just look really good, but I think I'll try this one out. This is probably what I'm going to use while using the phone because it feels good quality. It's really, really tight around the phone. Cutouts look good. Buttons are still clicky. But yeah, let's check out the other one, which is the normal Sandstone style. All right, there we go. Just like the 8 and 8 Pro, same design pretty much. Goes onto the phone same way. And yeah, we get that textured back and that grip on the side. You see those little side ridges? Really grippy. But yeah, let's actually check the inside of the phone. All right, so here you go. Running Android 11 out of the box, the first phone to actually do it, beating out the Pixel yet again. All right, let's go through access, sure, whatever. Swipe out of that. So this is Android 11. It has all your Hulu stuff. I kind of didn't set it up. I just kind of went through stuff. I just wanted to show you how it looks here. Android 11. So it actually is exactly the same as what's on, you know, the 8 Pro and the 8 now that Android 11 is out. But this is the first one out of the box. It does have ambient display now. It has all those goodies. And I'm really looking forward to actually trying this one out because it, like I said, huge amounts of RAM. Shouldn't have any issues there. Like I said, this is the new Android 11 skin that they got. A little bit more like One UI. All right, so that is it right here for the OnePlus 8T. I'm putting my SIM in it. I'm going to use it. I'm kind of looking forward to it. Lots of RAM, lots of storage, pretty good cameras from what I'm seeing so far. Really look forward to actually trying it out. If you like this video, let me know. Subscribe down below for more because I'm going to be doing some tests on this. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I got a little bit more time now. So, yeah, let me know down below what you want to see. This is Joey Riz. See you later.